In this video, we'll go through exam questions that cover the entry 2 criteria, recognize and interpret the symbols, add, subtract, multiply, divide, and equals appropriately. You can locate the questions on the mathsmaths.com website under entry 2. The exam questions come from different exam boards. We'll start with the not calculated questions and then we'll move to the calculated questions. Here's the first question. Liv drives her car to work. She works out the monthly cost of parking. She does this calculation. 84, there is a missing symbol, 12 equals 7. What is the missing symbol? Tick the correct answer. So is it addition? Is it subtraction? Is it multiplication or division? There are two things that can help us decide. One is the context. Liv drives her car to work. She works out the monthly cost of parking. So we've got 84 and then we do something to that to give us 7. If we add 12, the number will get bigger. If we take away 12, the number will get smaller, but not as much. It's gone to 7. So if we multiply, again the number will get much bigger because you're multiplying by 12. So it must be division. 84 divided by 12 gives us 7. You could try the rest and you'll see that it doesn't work with addition, subtraction or multiplication. Ruby can fit 120 books on a shelf. There are 63 books on the shelf already. She subtracts 63 from 120 to see how many more will fit on the shelf. What is the symbol for subtraction? This is the symbol for subtraction. You don't need to do the working out, you just write the symbol in this particular case. A woman gives a box with 20 pairs of jeans to a charity shop. 16 pairs of the jeans are good enough to be sold. The rest will be recycled. The manager asks the volunteer to work out how many of the pairs of jeans will be recycled. So the rest, working out the rest. Complete the calculation to show the number of pairs of jeans that will be recycled. The total number of pairs is 20. If we take away the 16, which is the number of pairs that are good enough to be sold, then the rest will be the number of pairs that will be recycled. What do we need to add to 16 to get 20? So 16, if I add 1, get 17, another 1, 18, 19, 20. So I've added 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the difference between 16 and 20. So 20 take away 16 equals 4. From now on we can use a calculator. We might not need to use a calculator for all the questions, but it's there if we need to use it. Lucy pays for her travel. She works out how much money is left over. She does this calculation. 154 take away 29. There is a missing symbol and then 125. So you know normally when we work out something we do addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, and then we put the equals symbol. there. What is the missing symbol is the question. We've got to tick the correct answer. So I think it's the equal symbol that is missing. I'm going to use a calculator to check that it is correct. So 154 take away 29 equals 125. So I was right. And I'm going to tick equals. Jay buys a packet with 100 lettuce seeds inside. He plants 36 seeds. How does Jay work out the number of seeds left over? Tick your answer. So that word there, or the two words, left over, you'll probably know that it's normally linked with subtraction. So we're going to focus on these first two, A and B. So what was the total? That was 100. We're taking away 36 to work out what's left over. So 100 take away 36, that's this option here, A. The rest of them don't work. John takes 2 photos of every goldfinch he sees. He takes 46 photos in total. He works out how many goldfinches he has seen. Put the missing symbol in the box. So 46 photos in total. 2 for every goldfinch. So if we divide by 2, it should give how many goldfinches he's seen. So the symbol that is missing here is division. Let's check with the calculator. So 46 divided by 2, does that give us 23? Yes, it does. So we've done it correctly. Tara writes her hours on her timesheet. She multiplies 8 by 5 to work out her total number of hours. Put the symbol for multiply in the box. So 8 times 5 equals 40. If you know your timetables by heart, you'll know that this is correct. But as you can use a calculator here, feel free to also check using a calculator. 8 times 5 equals 40. So that is correct. Seven and then 9 equals 63. Choose the correct sign to finish the calculation and fill in the box. First symbol here, equals. Does that work? 7 equals 9 equals 63. That doesn't. Then we have addition. 7 add 9 equals 63. That is not correct. 7 add 9 is 16. Then subtraction. 7 take away 9. That doesn't equal 63. Multiplication. 7 times 9 equals 63. That is correct. Let's just double check with a calculator. 7 times 9 equals 63. 90, missing symbol, 30 equals 60. Is that equal? So 90 equals 30 equals 60. That doesn't work. We've got an equal symbol already in there, so we don't need another one. 90 at 30, does that equal 60? No, it doesn't, because 90 at 30, that is 120, so that doesn't work. What about subtraction? 90 take away 30, that gives us 60. And this is the end of the questions.